Hi, in this video we're going to be talking about a free network monitoring tool you could use called Sniffnet. So once you install it, all you need to do is pick your interface and start monitoring your traffic. But when you do install it, just be warned that you're going to need to install NPCAP, but it'll actually take you to the website during the installation if you don't have it installed. All right, so once you have everything ready to go, just run the program. Then you need to pick your network adapter if you have more than one. So I'm going to be using this guy here, which IP version or both, protocols or both, application protocols you want to narrow down or if you just want to do all. And then when you're ready to go, just click on Start. It might take a minute to find some traffic here. So we got Google there, we got GoodSync, which is a program I'm not currently running, but for some reason it's going out there making some packets. And then you can see here the incoming is orange, outgoing is blue. All right, so I have some YouTube video playing here, and I also have the Microsoft Store open here, so I'm just going to start downloading something here. Okay, so now you can see if we have more traffic here. I think this one here is for the game we're downloading. And you could click on it to get the results, the source and destination with the port and what layer it's using, how many packets, bytes, and the country it's coming from. And if you want to just see HTTPS traffic, you could click on that. DNS traffic. Okay, let's start another download here. You can see our numbers jumping here, so you can tell this one's the ISO file that we're downloading there because it's going up pretty fast there. Then you could also sort it. If you want to see packets instead of bytes, you could do that. How many packets, or how many packets are coming through compared to how many bytes. Then you have the notification section here, which isn't enabled by default. So you click on the settings, and then you can notify when packets threshold is exceeded, notify you when bytes threshold is exceeded, and notify you when new data are exchanged from my favorites. And the way you get the favorites, I close out of here, is to check something like that, and then that'll be this guy here. There you go. Now you can hear that sound that it's making because we have new traffic coming in from this favorite. So let me turn that off here. Actually, you can see the notifications here now. So I believe this only shows you the 30 most highest utilized connections here. So it's kind of cool, you you want to just click on specific things to see, what's going on. And like I said, there's some stuff here that I didn't know was, like GoodSync was even running. So you could use something like this to find out what's going on. And here's your home connection. This is the actual computer here. And I believe other network computers, so here's another computer on a network, so it's showing that information as well. So it's, it's kind of basic, but then again, it might help you troubleshoot some stuff if that's what you're looking to do. So I'll put a link in the description where you can download it, and then you can try it out for yourself. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.